Content Author lets you add content to existing communications like bills, statements, and contracts. To start, choose a communication and select Open. Now you see the communication design, which is populated with sample customer data. The areas highlighted in red show frames that you can edit. You can add or change content in these areas of the communication. Select Thumbnail View to see all the pages and all the editable areas in the communication. Select Page View to return to the communication view. The Applied Content area lists each of the editable frames. This frame already has content added to it. If you want to change the content in some way, select the frame and then select Edit Content. From here, you can add a text box, table, or image. On the toolbar, you'll see familiar options like copy and paste as well as text formatting. If you make a change in the content and select Keep Changes, Content Author shows your changes in the Communications view.